Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Rose. She loved to spin beautiful yarns on her old spinning wheel. One day, while cleaning her small workshop, she found a peculiar spindle hidden behind her workbench. It was shimmering with gold and embedded with gemstones. "Oh, this must belong to my late grandmother," Rose said, her eyes twinkling with curiosity. She picked up the spindle and felt a strange warmth radiating from it. As she placed the spindle on her spinning wheel, it began to hum gently. Suddenly, a tiny being appeared. It was an elf, no larger than Rose's thumb. "Greetings, young miss," the elf said, bowing gracefully. "I am Spindle, the guardian of this magical artifact. I've been waiting for someone special to find me." Rose was amazed and a little scared, but Spindle reassured her, "Don't be afraid, Rose. I'm here to help you. I have 2 companions who can help you create the most enchanting yarns ever spun." With that, Spindle introduced Rose to Shuttle, a swift and agile creature, and Needle, a gentle and patient one. Together, they promised to create the most beautiful yarns, full of love, joy, and wisdom. Every night, Rose would spin yarns with her new friends, each one more beautiful than the last. The villagers marveled at the yarns and asked where she found such magic. Rose, with a smile, would tell them about Spindle, Shuttle, and Needle, and how they brought joy and wonder into her life. The villagers were enchanted by the story and the yarns, and Rose felt her heart filled with gratitude. And so, Rose continued to spin yarns with her enchanted friends, sharing their magic with the world. The end.